Changing your phone, reinstalling WhatsApp, or switching to a new device on the side of the person you're chatting with, all of these actions can cause the security key that protects your messages to change. Although these changes happen in the background, it's important to be notified when they occur. That's why WhatsApp offers a feature called Security Notifications, which alerts you whenever a key is changed. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on this option and add an extra layer of protection to your daily conversations. So, first, open your WhatsApp app. Once you're inside, tap the gear icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the settings page. Inside the settings, you'll see several options. Look for the one labeled Account and tap on it. Then, inside the Account section, select Security Notifications. At this point, you'll see a section with a detailed explanation. It says that your chats and calls on WhatsApp are protected with end-to-end encryption, meaning only you and the person you're communicating with can read or listen to them. Not even WhatsApp or anyone else, including hackers or internet providers, can access your messages. This encryption applies to everything: your messages, calls, photos, videos, documents, location sharing, and status updates. Below that explanation, you'll see a toggle switch next to the option Show Security Notifications on this phone. When this is enabled, WhatsApp will notify you anytime the security code between you and a contact changes. This usually happens when your contact, for example, switches to a new phone, reinstalls the app, or uses a different device. If you're okay with this, tap the switch to activate the option. Once you've turned it on, WhatsApp will automatically notify you in the future whenever a security key changes between you and someone you're chatting with. It's a useful way to stay informed about potential changes that might affect the privacy of your conversations, without having to check anything manually. This feature does not affect how you send messages or make calls. It simply works as an extra layer of security, so you can safely turn it on without worrying it will disrupt anything. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.